The star ingredient in this recipe is skinned peanut. Let's take 3/4 cup of peanuts and with the help of a weighing machine, when you weigh it, it equates to 100 grams. The next step is to boil the peanuts, and why we are doing so is something we will discuss later in the video. Take the peanuts and add 2 cups of water. Then add a pinch of salt and let the peanuts boil for 7 to 8 minutes. After straining the water, let's take the cooked peanuts. Then let's add the veggies, which includes 5 to 6 cherry tomatoes, 2 shallots and 2 green chillies. Adding the veggies ensures that there is enough fiber along with the protein. Mix it up. Let's add 2 small boiled potatoes that have been cut into small cubes. And then again mix everything. Boiled peanuts are rich in protein and antioxidants, have 0 cholesterol, they protect cells from damage and promotes muscle growth. 100 grams of it contains 572.4 kilocalories, 24.3 grams of protein and 15.8 grams of fiber. Let's add salt to taste. Mix it up. I always believe that taking the time to cook a healthy meal is self-care. Let's squeeze in a lemon. And let's give it a good mix. Protein here keeps you satiated for a longer period of time, eliminating hunger pangs and making it an ideal dish for weight loss. Let's garnish with finely chopped coriander. Give a final toss. And voila! Your wholesome salad, rich in protein, fiber and essential carbs is ready. Super easy, super quick and super healthy. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.